Welcome to English class. Dear students, how are you? Today I am going to take a class for the student of SSC first year and second year. I am Gopa Rani De, Assistant Professor in English, Boalkhali Haji Mohammad Nurul Haq Degree College. Dear learners, specially I am inviting the freshers to take an active part in my class. And to be familiar, you may write your name and roll number in the comment box. My today's topic is modifiers part 3. It is the continuation of my previous class. Learning objects. Definition of pre-modifiers, use of pre-modifiers, words act as pre-modifiers. Pre-modifiers. Dear students, in my previous class, I discussed about definition of modifiers, classification of modifiers, and the function of modifiers. Today, let us have a feedback. What is modifier? Modifiers may be a single word or group of words, and it is either adjective or adverb. So, modifier may be a word or words which describe and give more information about another word or group of words. Now, what is pre-modifier? Word or words that come before a noun to add more information to it are called pre-modifiers. Word or words that come before a noun to add more information to it are called pre-modifiers. Example: Bina has a blue car. Here in this sentence, blue is an adjective and it is giving more information about the noun car. So it is pre-modifier because it comes before the noun car and giving more information about the noun car. She comes from a rich family. Here in this sentence, rich is an adjective and it comes before a noun family and giving the more information about it. Hence, rich is a pre-modifier. Words act as pre-modifiers. Determiners. Articles, demonstratives, numerals, possessives, quantifiers. These are all determiners. And determiners act as pre-modifiers. Adjectives act as pre-modifier. Participles act as pre-modifier. Noun adjectives act as pre-modifier. Adverb also act as pre-modifiers. Now, let us see how determiners act as pre-modifiers. Determiners as pre-modifiers. Articles A and D. Demonstratives these, that, these, those. Possessives my, his, their, us, etc. Numerals 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, any numerals. Quantifiers as, both, some, any, every, either, few, much, lots of, enough, many, etc. These are all determiners. Dear learners, many types of words act as pre-modifiers. Determiners come first among them. Let us discuss the example. My brother is a teacher. He has a garden. There are many trees in this garden. He engages 2 students for taking care of the garden. They get much pleasure because they take it as their hobby. In this passage, the first sentence, my brother is a teacher. Here, My is a determiner and it is giving the information about brother. Again, a teacher. A is a determiner and it is also giving the information about teacher, whether it is countable or uncountable. We know that determiners sits or come before a noun to show whether it is countable or uncountable, whether it is definite or indefinite. In the second sentence, there are many trees in this garden. Here, many is a determiner and it comes before a noun trees and giving the information about the noun. Again, this garden. Here, this is a determiner and it is giving more information about garden sitting before it. He engages two students for taking care of the garden. In this sentence, two is a determiner and it takes its position before the noun students and giving the information about it. The garden. Here, the is a determiner and it comes before the noun garden and giving the information about garden. They get much pleasure because they take it as their hobby. They get much pleasure. Much is a determiner and it comes before the noun pleasure and giving the information about it. Again, their hobby. There is a determiner and it takes its position before the noun hobby and giving the information about it. That is giving the information whether the noun is countable or uncountable, definite or indefinite. In this passage, my is possessive, a is article, many is quantifier, this is demonstrative, two is numeral, much is quantifier, and there is possessive. And these words, all of these words comes before noun to give the information about noun. Hence, they are all pre-modifiers. Determiners comes before a noun to show whether it is countable or uncountable, definite or indefinite. Now, adjective as pre-modifiers. How adjective acts as pre-modifier. Munni is a beautiful girl. Here, beautiful is an adjective. It comes before the noun girl and giving the information about it. She is a meritorious student too. Meritorious is an adjective and it takes its position before the noun student and giving the information about the noun student. Her innocent face is attractive. In this sentence, innocent is an adjective and it sits before the noun face. It takes its position before the noun face and giving the information about the noun. My younger brother is an officer. Younger is an adjective and it comes before the noun brother and giving more information about it. He is a handsome man. Here, handsome is an adjective and it comes before the noun man and giving information about the noun man. So, beautiful, meritorious, innocent, younger and handsome. All these words are pre-modifier. These are pre-modifiers. Though these words are adjectives, they are pre-modifier also. It is notable that the position of adjective is after the determiner and before the noun. Look at the example. Beautiful. A beautiful girl. A is a determiner. Beautiful is an adjective and girl is a noun. So the position of adjective is after the determiner and before the noun. In the second sentence, a is determiner, meritorious is an adjective, and student is a noun. In the third sentence, her is a determiner, innocent is an adjective, and face is a noun. Again, my younger brother. My is a determiner, younger is an adjective, and brother is a noun. A handsome man. A is an article, handsome is an adjective, and man is a noun. So it is clear to us then the position of adjective is after the determiner and before the noun. Participle. Participle as pre-modifiers. There are three kinds of participles and they are present participle, base form of the main verb plus ing. A rolling stone doesn't gather moss. Here in this sentence, rolling is a present participle and it is giving the information about the noun stone and sits before the noun stone, that is takes its position before the noun stone. Hence rolling is a pre-modifier. Though it is a participle, it is a pre-modifier also. Opening the door, the boy looked outside. Here opening is a participle, present participle form of the verb, and it comes before the noun door and giving the information about the noun. Hence opening is a pre-modifier. Though it is a participle, it is a pre-modifier also. Past participle. Past participle form of verb formed by the addition of d, ed, t and en, etc. Contaminated food is harmful to health. In this sentence, contaminated is the past participle form of a verb. It is a pre-modifier because the word contaminated comes before the noun food and giving more information about the noun food. Hence, it is a pre-modifier. The boy is crying for his broken toy. In this sentence, broken is a past participle form of a verb and it comes before the noun toy and giving more information about the noun. Hence, the word broken is a pre-modifier. Perfect participle, having plus past participle form of a verb. Having finished the homework, the boy started for school. Here, having finished is a perfect participle and it comes before the noun, the homework, and giving more information about the noun. So, having finished is a pre-modifier. Having forgotten him, the writer went out. Here, having forgotten is a perfect participle form of a verb and it comes before the pronoun him and giving the information about the noun him. So, it is a pre-modifier. Dear learners, what is participle? Actually, participle is a word formed from a verb and used to modify a noun. Participles are used to modify a noun. Participle is a word formed from a verb and used to modify a noun. It enriches a sentence with descriptive details. Noun adjective as pre-modifier. What is noun adjective? Sometimes a noun modifies another noun. just taking its position before a noun. Sometimes a noun modifies another noun just taking its position before a noun. Then it is called noun adjective. When noun modifies another noun just sitting before it, then it is called noun adjective. Sometimes a noun modifies another noun. This type of noun is called noun adjective. Example: this is a book of English grammar. In this sentence, English is a noun and grammar is a noun also. But the word English is modifying the word grammar. So, English is a noun adjective and it is a pre-modifier also because it comes before another noun, grammar. He gave her a beautiful diamond ring. Here in this sentence, diamond is a noun and ring is a noun also. But the noun diamond is giving more information about the noun ring. So, diamond is a pre-modifier. He has bought a money bag. Here money is a noun and bag is a noun also. But money is giving the more information about bag, about another noun which is bag. Here the word bag. The word bag is modified by the word money. Money is a noun and bag is a noun also. But money is giving the more information about the word bag. Hence, money is a pre-modifier. Adverb as pre-modifier. Noun can be modified by adverb which gives more information about the noun. Example: the then headmaster was a learned person. Here in this sentence, then is an adverb and it is giving the information about the noun headmaster. And the word then comes before the noun. Hence, this adverb is a pre-modifier. The above passage is very critical. In this sentence, above is an adverb and it comes before the noun passage and giving more information about the noun. The down flight will take off soon. Here in this sentence, down is an adverb and it comes before the noun flight and giving more information about it. Hence, the word down is a pre-modifier. So, it is clear to us that adverb also act as pre-modifier. Thank you very much. God bless you all. You will try to avoid the large crowd and you will use mask for your safety.